It's a beautiful day in Colombia, a beautiful day for a customer. Shapard has just what you need. It's a beautiful day in Colombia, a beautiful day for a customer. The Lumberyard has just what you need. It's a beautiful day around the world. We're shipping orders all around the world. The Lumberyard has just what you need. It's a wonderful day around the world, shipping orders all around the world. The Lumberyard has just what you need. We've always wanted to have a customer just like you.
Greetings, neighbor, valued customer. Let's go out to the shop and see what's going on out there today. Greetings and welcome here to Shapard Lumberyard Lumber Knowledge 101. And I want to talk about an outstanding product today to introduce to some, reintroduce the others. And the product is called Trim Last. What is it? That's what you're asking yourself right now. What is it? Well, it's a PVC trim to replace alternate type materials like wood and fiber cement. And understand that these types of products that's coming out is the wave of the future. One great thing about this is it weighs a fraction of what a piece of wood is or does. This particular product, the great thing about this is one side of it is wood grain, the other side of it is smooth, and another outstanding quality about this is it's already primed. So that's saving you tons of time. This product, once you get it, is already primed. All you have to do is put your top coat or the color that you want on it. So what's the main differences between wood, your regular wood, and Trim Last? Wood, those of you that have wood trim already know what I'm about to say. At some point in time, you're either going to have to replace it, and at the very least, depending on how much sun it gets, repaint it. And if you have one of those pesky creatures like I do, those wood-borne bees that love to chew on wood, they'll continue to bore holes inside of your wood trim. With this product, they will not do that. These ward off those carpenter bees. And another thing is this has a 15-year warranty. It'll probably last longer than that, but that's what the manufacturer puts out. That it'll last 15 years. 15 years before you have to ever think about replacing it. You cannot do that with wood. If you leave wood out exposed to the elements, don't paint it, don't replace it, it'll disintegrate in most cases, or the bees will have it eaten up by then before that 15-year mark. That's what makes this product so great. That's what makes it so wonderful and user-friendly. Now understand, with that, it is going to cost more than your average 1x4 or 5/4x4 or 1x6 or 1x8. It's not going to cost the same thing as a regular piece of wood. But think about this for a moment. Walk with me. Once you get that piece of wood, what's one of the first things you have to do? Paint it. No wrong. You have to prime it. And so in order for you to even begin to think about painting, you have to prime that piece of wood. Then what's the next thing you have to do? You have to paint it then. So that's even more time and more expense. With this right here, it's already primed. You could either choose the wood grain or the smooth side. It's your choice to fit your particular decor on your house. Once again, it's PVC, so it's water resistant. It's decay resistant. And the wood-borne bees, the carpenter bees, I don't think they like chewing on PVC. So once again, this product is called Trim Last. We carry it here. We're going to carry it in 5/4x4, 1x4, 1x6, 1x8, and 1x12. Once again, 5/4x4, 1x4, 1x6, 1x8, and 1x12. and all of it is 16 foot. So once again, trim last PVC product, make your life easier. We carry it here at Shapard Lumberyard here in Columbia, Tennessee. Once again, we may not be the biggest, we may not have everything, but we have something for everyone. God bless you.